thinking. Fallacy means it is the use of invalid or otherwise faulty reasoning or wrong moves in the construction of an argument. And we have 10 parts of fallacy thinking. First is ad hominem. Second, it is strawman. Third is loaded question. And fourth, begging the question, black or white, slippery slope, burden of proof, composition or division, bandwagon, and appeal to emotion. Ad hominem means short for argumentum ad hominem, typically refers to a fallacious argumentative strategy whereby genuine discussion of the topic at hand is avoided by instead attacking the character, motive, or other attributes of the person making the argument, or a person associated with the argument, rather than attacking the substance of the argument itself. Is the strawman. Strawman means is a form of our argument and formal fallacy based on the giving the impression of refuting an opponent's argument, while actually refuting an argument that was not presented by that opponent. Loaded question means or complex question is a question that contains a controversial or unjustified assumption. Example is presumption of guilt. Next is begging the question. Begging the question means in classical rhetoric and logic, begging the question is an informal fallacy that occurs when arguments premises assume the truth of the conclusion instead of supporting it. Next, black or white. Black or white means with alternative states one presented as the only possibilities when in fact more responsibilities. Next is slippery slope. Slippery slope means argument in logic, critical thinking, political rhetoric, and case law. It's a logical fallacy in which a party asserts that a relatively small first step leads to a chain of related events culminating in some significant or usually negative effect. Is burden of proof. Burden of proof means as a legal term that encompasses two connected but separate ideas that for establishing the truth of facts in a trial before tribunals on the United States, the burden of production. Composition or division. The policy of composition is when one infers that the policy of composition is the converse of the policy of division. It may be constructive. Next is bandwagon. Bandwagon means used in reference to an activity cause or others that is currently fashionable or popular and attracting increasing support, or especially formerly a wagon used to carrying a band in parade or procession. And the last is appeal to emotion. Appeal to emotion means is a logical fallacy characterized by the manipulation of the recipient's emotions in order to win an argument, especially in the absence of factual evidence. Vloggers, let's like, comment, share, or subscribe.